Oh, hi.
Hello.
Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's Veganuary day 20?
20.
20. Okay, so that means there's only 11 days left.
Oh my goodness.
11 days for you to subscribe. All right, today we're going to have something that we have all the time, but I usually buy it at the store, and I'm not buying it at the store anymore. I've decided I'm going to be more healthy in this 20 of 24. So I have peeled some
what are we making?
potatoes. We're making French fries, but delicious,
Homemade ones.
crafty French fries because they're gonna have flavorings that you don't normally get. You usually get just like super salty, but we're gonna have Tabitha Brown French fries, and we're going to use avocado oil, so it's going to be a higher smoke point, so it's going to be healthier.
Plus they're going to be air fried. Yes,
they're going to be air fried. So, tonight's burger night, by the way. So I've already got my homemade sourdough burger buns in my steam oven, cooking away, and as soon as those come out, my French fries, my crafty French fries are going to be in there. So before, while Maddie was relaxing, no, she was editing.
I was doing stuff.
I peeled my russet potatoes. Now, russet potatoes make the best French fries, but that doesn't mean you have to use russet potatoes. You can use whatever potato you want, even sweet potatoes. So let me drain off some of this water. We're going to get our potatoes super dry. I have a dish towel on the table. We're going to pat them dry, and we'll be ready to cut them up. So let's have it go pee-pee a little bit here.
Oh, no. That's quite a pee.
Yeah. Well, you know what?
That's not a little bit.
It drank all night. Alcohol is very dehydrating. All right, so... And no, these were not soaking in alcohol.
Oh my god.
How dare you? Alright, so. I don't like to make my French fries too small. Because you need a lot of surface area. So I'm going to make them moderately sized. I might even make them wedges. Let's see. So I guess let's do in half. And then let's do thirds.
That looks like a thick triple C.
It's not done.
Okay.
Some of them will be okay. Some of them will not. This side was a little bit too thick. That one's okay. There.
You want to make sure they're all pretty close in size.
Exactly, because you all want them to be finished cooking at the same time. We're going to put them all in... Oh, how'd this get past quality control? Alright. Same deal. You know the drill.
Please don't cut yourself.
Yes. Make sure you put the flat side down because that's the most stable. So, like, these are a little thickums. So, right?
Yes. Alright, well, we'll leave you to it.
Oh, thank you.
And we'll come back when you're ready. When you know what you've done.
Sorry. Now comes the fun part.
It's all chopped up.
It is all chopped up. And we're going to drizzle on a little avocado oil. Not too much. And we're going to put our seasoning on. I like a lot of this.
Garlic.
Yeah. We might have to do this a couple of times. We're going to put a little salt too because I'm not salt-free. But if you are, don't put salt on.
Yummy.
All right, let's give it a little toss and see if we need to get more on there. I feel like we probably could use a little more.
Yeah. You don't want to have, like, naked fries.
No, because they're tasteless.
Tasteless and classless.
Exactly. All right. We got to do a good job getting these equitably distributed.
Mm-hmm.
Or just distributed.
Yeah. It smells delicious.
It does smell so good right now. All right, that looks pretty good. I've already got my cookie sheet over here. And we're not making cookies, honey. We're making fries.
Yummy, yummy.
These are hungry girl and boy fries. Might have to do these in 2 batches, but because you don't want to crowd it. But I'm going to do my best here. I think it's pretty good.
I mean, ideally, you just want 1 layer.
Yeah, I mean, that's pretty close to 1 layer. Not too bad. I mean, we're going to have to zhuzh it up while they're cooking.
Yeah.
Halfway through. All right, we're going to get these in there at 400 degrees as soon as my buns come out. I bet you'd like to see that. I'm ready to make the transfer. All right, we got the rolls coming out.
Look at those.
Yes, and these going in. 400 degrees. Probably 20-25 minutes.
Okay. Just take a look.
They're squishies. They're hard right now. As
They will be
cool off,
squishy.
they'll softer.
Yummy. They'll softer?
They'll softer. They will. All right, Maddie's about to build her burger plate. And how squishy did the buns turn out?
Take a look. Oh my god.
Oh, but the outside too. Yeah.
So good.
Would you say squishy is a baby?
I would. Amazing.
All right, we have some Beyond Burgers.
Ooh.
Here's the fries. They were actually in between 35 and 40 minutes.
Okay.
They were a little heftier. They were a little bit chunk.
They smell so garlicky delicious.
Oh, they look so nice. They're not crispy like McDonald's French fries, but
That's okay. They're squishy like Wendy's.
yeah, we're
I can
better.
get down with some squishy fries. I'm not gonna lie.
We're better than that. We're better than crunchy fries.
I like the squish.
These are gourmet.
They are gourmet. Gourmet.
Yes.
Okay, let's go with that.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna sample one while you get the rest of your plate together.
Okay.
A little bit of ketchup in my life. So garlicky.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna take one that's unketchuped for the taste test.
Okay.
Rainbow.
Oh, so beautiful.
Gotta put
Maddie's
some
having a sensible salad as well.
Of course.
So the mayo that we made yesterday, we mixed with the Bang Bang sauce, Bang Bang powder that we got from Sam's Club.
Yeah.
Bubby said, "Give me something."
Bobby, I just gave you some bread. Just a little bit. He's got an upset tummy, so he can't be eating a lot of
Well,
people food right
he
now.
shouldn't be eating a lot of people's food anyway. Bowie, no.
Don't be demanding.
No.
Oh.
No. Said, you better taste that fry.
I know. Okay. Let me taste one. Ooh.
Pick a
Pick a
beaut.
winner. This has my name on it.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, it had a little crunch.
Girl.
Right?
That is
Delish.
so good. Oh my god.
That's some gourmet.
So creamy on the inside.
Yes.
So crunch on the outside.
Yes. Bowie said,
Oh my
share
God.
it.
Baby, I don't know if you can have this.
No, he shouldn't
You
have
can't
that.
have this. I'm sorry.
Give him a little piece of bread. He loves a salad.
Take another little piece of my bread now, baby.
He said, thank you.
Those fries. Oh my god.
Right?
They're so good.
So easy.
I will be getting russet potatoes next week when we go
Yes.
shopping.
Yes. Or tomorrow.
Possibly tomorrow.
Yes.
Because that is insane.
Gourmet.
And I got the tap of the brown garlic. Seasoning.
Yeah. Wonderful.
Very, very excited. Oh my god, I need to have another one that I haven't taken yet. It's just
Yes.
from the source.
Uh-huh.
Gotta pick another
There's not
winner.
going to be any leftovers of those.
No. Let's go for this one.
Yeah, that one looks crunch. Oh, that is a crunch.
I'm not being obnoxious chewing with my mouth open.
Right. You just want...
I want you to hear the crunch. Yeah.
Yes.
Mm. Okay, wow. Amazing.
Okay.
And not like that much.
No prep.
Well, there's some prep.
I mean, just peeling it.
Chopping. But other than that.
It wasn't that much of a punishment.
No. Wow. Well, we're going to enjoy that for sure.
Yes. And then we're going to watch Traitors.
Then we're going to watch The Traitors, which we're also going to enjoy, I'm sure.
Yes.
So, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you give this a try because it's so delicious.
Yes. And we'll be back for 21.
So, thank y'all so much for watching. And until next time,